We'll guide you through how to use Trello shortcuts to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Trello board on your desktop. Trello offers a variety of keyboard shortcuts that can save you time and make managing your cards and boards much easier. Let's start with the basics. Press the letter B to open the boards menu quickly. This is a fast way to switch between different boards without clicking around. If you want to create a new card, just press the letter N while you're on a list. This shortcut will open a new card window right under your mouse pointer, letting you type in the card title right away. To archive a card, hover over it and press C. This is a great way to clean up your lists without having to drag cards to an archive list manually. If you need to open a card, just hover and press the spacebar. This is a quick way to dive into card details and make edits. To edit a card title directly from the board view, click the card once and press the T key. This allows you to immediately start typing without opening the card. For navigating between cards in a list, you can use the arrow keys. Use the up and down arrows to move between cards, and right and left arrows to switch between lists. This is especially useful if you're trying to review or update multiple cards in quick succession. Lastly, don't forget the quick access command, which is the / key. It brings up the search bar instantly, allowing you to find any card or board by typing in keywords. These shortcuts can significantly reduce your mouse clicks and make your Trello experience much more efficient. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these shortcuts regularly to become a Trello power user. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.